Nau mai koutou, ko Sarah ahau. I am Sarah.
And more to the WINTON School, ko Tiana ahau. I am Tiana. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapa, the 25th of February.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is reka, which says te reo for yummy, sweet or tasty.
As in Tino, reka, te eenu. This drink is sweet.
Ooh, could I please have some of that, reka, that yummy drink?
Sure thing.
Thanks, mate.
Reka, which is Tino for yummy, sweet or tasty.
Heat up news. Do you like your heat up hot and delivered to your classroom on time?
Sure do. Let's talk about that, koutou.
Well, 1, you've got to have your heat up named with your room number clearly marked.
Scroll down. And 2, you've got to have your heat up tray before school starts at 9 o'clock.
What if it's morning tea time and I've only just discovered my heat up?
No worries. Let your teacher know, and between the two of you, I'm sure it can be sorted out.
Named and in the heat up tray, koutou. Kia ora.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is low. If it remains cloudy, if it clears high from 12 until 4.
Very high from 1:30 until 2:30. Kia ora.
High-vis vest. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, no birthdays at WINTON School today.
But we do know there are some little brother and sister birthday kids back at home.
And even the old mum and dad. So, ra whānau to your whānui.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere and stay classy, WINTON School.